Alright guys, it's a nasty, kind of rainy, snowy, cold day, and these are my favorite days to usually do 3D printing. I just thought, why don't we look up Cooler Master HAF 932 5.25 bay, because I need a cover to print one. I tried to print a couple ones that they just couldn't quite fit, and I ran across some really cool stuff. Anyway, we're going to fire up the printer, but I need to get some black filament. This is the top cover flap that I'm missing. So I'm going to print that. Here's some caddies. Replacement feet. Headphone mount. A drive bay adapter. What else do we got? Oh, caster wheels. 140 to 120 meter PC case fan adapter offset. Oh, that's cool. I don't remember if it just has one big one up there. I think it does. And then these are the parts that lock in the drive. I have no idea. Cat proofing? What the hell? Dual 5.25 RAID bay. Side panel. What the hell would that do? Let's see. That's pretty crazy. I wish I had one of these that I could put in there. Card reader is really nice to have. There is a lot of stuff for this case. It's crazy. RAM memory cooler. Interesting. Homemade printers. Weird shower stuff. Laser engraver, maybe? I don't know. These results seem to be irrelevant to that. But yeah, so I definitely want to print this part. And I don't know if I could. I'll probably just grab one of these and modify it. So that I can use. I just need a cover. I don't know how well they're designed, but they probably were printing it for that one. I just need another replacement of these just to plug this hole, and then up here I want a cover for there. So I'll probably just use this PLA and go ahead and do that with the PLA. It doesn't need to be strong, just as a cover. So yeah, that should be fun to do. I'm gonna have to pull these up on Tinkercad and see if I can modify them.